Welcome to the BAYER Material Science Production Site at Greater Noida, India.
At this site, people and their safety is the highest priority.
This video will provide you with a brief introduction to our facility and will help you understand the basic safety tools and emergency procedures to be used and adhered to while at the site. The BAYER Material Science Production Site is spread across 77,880 square meters or approximately 19 acres of land. It has 2 production units besides the eco-commercial building of BAYER Material Science, which is a net zero building. The 2 production units are the Polyurethane Systems House production facility having product development capability and a polycarbonate color competence and design center. These plants have various blending vessels, extruders, quality control and product application development laboratories, customer interaction center, a range of utilities, tanker unloading terminals, stores and warehouses. At BAYER Material Science, it is our core belief that safety, environmental protection, product and process quality and commercial efficiency are factors of equal importance in achieving our corporate objectives. The health and safety of our employees, customers and stakeholders is of prime importance to us and plays a fundamental role in our business decisions. We value you and hence we collectively share the zero incidents responsibility, as safety is a precondition to your being here. Each one of us is individually accountable to ensure the safety of all personnel, the production site and the environment. To keep an accurate head count in the event of an incident, all visitors are required to sign in and out of the logbook provided at the reception entrance. You will then be provided with a badge once you sign in, which you will need to clearly display at all times whilst on the premises. Location of designated visitors parking will be communicated by the guard in the security cabin when registering. Speed limit for all vehicles inside the premises on all roads is a maximum of 15 kilometers per hour. However, while approaching the weighbridge for truck weighing, the speed limit for vehicles is 10 kilometers per hour. The security officer will then inform the concerned employee of your arrival, who will accompany you to the place of visit. Please note that smoking, alcohol and chewing or spitting of tobacco, pan or gutkha is strictly prohibited within the premises. Photography is prohibited without prior approval of the site manager. Cameras are to be deposited with the security personnel at the gate. Cell phones with cameras are to be kept with the host employee when entering the production area. You must also declare at the gate all tools and tackles and their purpose in case you're carrying any on your person. However, please note that you're not allowed to work at any place inside without clear instruction from your host and necessary safety permits as determined by your host being issued to you. Wearing of personal protective equipment is compulsory in certain designated areas of the site. It is mandatory to use safety hard hats, safety shoes and safety goggles with side shields at the production site and full sleeves at specific locations. During specific situations, masks or respiratory aids, shields and other different personal protective equipment are mandated to be used as required. Please comply with safety signages at all times. While walking on the street, only use the demarcated pathways provided. For crossing the streets, only places marked with zebra crossing are to be used. Please remain cautious of all machinery or equipment whilst walking inside the plant. Please remain within the walkways designated by colored markings inside the plant and laboratory facilities. In case you hear the emergency siren, please follow directions from your host to evacuate the building immediately from the nearest exit and assemble at the emergency assembly point. Emergency evacuation plans are displayed at specific locations. Do not re-enter the building until you have been so instructed and unless you hear an all clear or long siren. The 4 safe assembly points at the site are as follows. Assembly Point 1 near
Eco-Commercial Building.
Assembly Point 2 near Gate 1
In Polyurethanes System House.
above Pump House. Assembly Point 3 near Gate 2
In Color Competence and Design Center.
Assembly Point 4 near
Color Competence and Design Center.
Utilities behind
Polyurethanes System House. Diesel Generator.
Do not obstruct passageways, fire exits, safety showers, firefighting equipment, electrical panels, and manual call points. Safety is your responsibility. The proper attitude towards this responsibility is a necessity for your own personal safety and that of those around you. Always remember that nothing we do is worth getting hurt for. Thank you for watching this video and now have a safe and productive visit. Emergency contact details. Emergency Communication Center intercom number 1110. Emergency Communication Center
To contact from outside the site.
0120 392 1110.